Going fishing.
Going fishing.
Oh shit. I like that video. That video is fucking the shit.
What'd you think of the music?
I liked it. It matched. And
Well,
I liked how when you did the time lapse was when you did the music.
Right. I tried to space that out. So
and then when you were talking, it was slow. And dude, that lady in front of me right there, she fucking bought like, she bought more snacks than I buy snacks.
Oh.
Don't crash us, well.
How many snacks did she buy?
Dude, $50 worth of snacks.
Snacks for days.
Yeah, well, she bought 2 packs of cigarettes too. But
oh, okay.
Licorice, chips, candy bars. She bought like 10 candy bars.
Ooh, candy bars for days.
Yeah.
So, since we're on the topic of fishing, we got this upcoming boating season.
Yeah.
There's something that we need to talk about that seems like nobody ever really talks about, but needs to be talked about more often.
What's that? Boater etiquette?
Yeah.
Oh.
The damn boat ramp.
Taking 5 days on the boat ramp.
It'll take a 5-day by now.
Yeah, you know, it's only the recreational users that, like those Sea-Doos and
The skiers.
Yep, the damn kayakers.
They're kayakers.
They think they own that shit.
They drag their kayak down the ramp, they put it down there, and then they go back and forth to their car and get in their life jacket and their binoculars and their White Claws, and they just take 5 fucking days in order to get everything they own in the kayak.
Yeah, should take 10 minutes at the most on the boat ramp.
They shouldn't even be using the boat ramp.
Yeah.
Especially here at Buena Vista where there's a
that gravel bar.
Yeah. Yep. So, tip number 1, make sure you got all your crap already in the boat when you untie the boat from the trailer.
Yep.
You take your kayak off the top of the car, load it full of all your crap at the car, and then you and your wife or your boyfriend or your husband carry it down the ramp. Get in the damn thing and get gone.
Yep.
Yeah. Number 1 thing that I try to do in life altogether, even at the gas station, I try not to be in the freaking way. Driving down the road, if you're doing 55 and 55 and there's somebody behind you, you're in the way. Yeah, get out of the way. You don't know, the guy behind you has an ingrown toenail and his wife beats him at night. That guy's in a hurry. You don't know.
You don't know. So just be courteous to others.
Yeah.
You know, if you're running slow, get out of the way and...
Oh, there goes my Red Bull.
Oh, yeah. Oh, it is going, too.
How much did I lose? I lost a lot. It's all up in there.
About a quarter.
Oh, my God.
Mostly on my floorboard.
It's a sin.
Yeah.
So you just got to just be courteous. And make sure you got all your ducks in a row.
Yeah.
You don't want to be taking up everybody else's time.
And like I said, if you're running behind or you're taking your time and somebody's behind you, move to the side and let the people that want to get out there get out there.
Love it.
Everybody wants to be on the water in the summertime.
It's true. Yep. And you know, some people aren't as trained as we are.
Yeah.
We untie that boat from the trailer. 30 seconds later, the truck is parked.
Yep.
Yeah. Same thing with getting the boat off the water. Slam, bam. And you know, every boat's a little different, so getting it on a certain particular trailer, if they don't have side rails or bunks, you know, things can be a little challenging.
Fiberglass boats that you don't want to scratch up.
Yeah.
They're real nice.
Yeah. That does take some time, but it doesn't take 10 minutes.
Yeah.
No, it shouldn't at least. So.
And another thing, practice backing up your trailer.
Oh yeah.
You know, if you suck at it, fucking work on it.
Yeah.
Do it a couple times. Just back it down in and out of your driveway.
Yeah, gain some confidence.
Yeah. Because you see some guys just cannot back up a trailer.
No. Go to the nearest parking lot and do circles backwards. And then figure 8s.
Yeah.
You'll get it down. Well guys, that's a message from us, and we'll see you on the water this spring.
sir.
What was that, Dustin? 10 minutes, if that?
Not even 5. I told you I had a feeling. That might be a keeper.
Maybe. Oh, it looks good. He's got a stick.
That's a keeper, brother.
That is a keeper. Oh, yeah. Beautiful.